I'm really pumped that we have our go-to partner for all things Splunk for SAP here with us at the conference. The company's name is RHONDOS, and they've been responsible for the majority of all of our Splunk for SAP customer successes.
So RHONDOS helps our customers by taking data out of SAP, putting it into large data platforms like Splunk, giving customers deeper visibility and more flexible alerting. Our founder, Brant Hubbard, was an ex-Splunker who, when he was working at Splunk, actually was thinking about the SAP use case and the fact that there was no good way to get that data out. And so he actually founded RHONDOS on that premise, trying to get the data out of SAP. One of the issues with SAP is that they don't have, by default, ways to alert on security events. So a lot of customers come to us wanting to extract audit logs out of SAP and put them into Splunk, not just for the fact that they can retain them longer, but also they have the ability to create custom alerts, and they're alerted as soon as users are doing things that they aren't supposed to in the system, rather than have to wait for a quarterly audit when they go through the system manually and try to detect nefarious activities that users are performing. SAP administrators, for whatever reason, have a funky name, and they call themselves basis administrators. I was an SAP basis administrator for 20 years, and honestly wish that I had the insights that I'm selling to my customers, because it allows you to not just get a KPI that there was an error or something in the system, but it actually gives you the specific error in the monitoring system, which is much better than having to go back into things like Solution Manager to be able to figure out what happened and what went wrong. In addition, all of the traditional SAP monitoring tools are just focused on SAP. So once we put that data into Splunk, if customers are already Splunking the rest of their IT infrastructure, now we get a more holistic picture of where latency and bottlenecks are in these big landscapes, because SAP doesn't just communicate with other SAP systems, it also communicates with IT systems in the larger organization. When we have a customer who already has Splunk and SAP, it's really kind of our superpower. And that's because traditionally customers have used Splunk for things like their SIM and their SOC, but they don't have visibility into SAP. So customers that already have Splunk that are running SAP, we can help kind of unite that and give them a more holistic picture of their IT landscape.